So let's go through the scalp mode settings. In previous video, we talked about scalp mode and price manipulation zones. Now we have scalp setting. By default, it's set below. Let's see how the price section works with the sensitivity set to high. So we saw a little changes here with exit signals, and with the price manipulation zone here gone, the scalp, another scalp here, and early exit here for the green scalp. Again, early exit here, also here the exit signals moved. We know, but no, I'm going to have a price manipulation zone here, and also early exit on the downside as well. So by default, we set it to low, and we will see price manipulation here is exit here. Everything is back to normal. So you can play around with the scalp sensitivity and set it to high if you want early entry and exit signals. If you want confirmed entry and exit, then you must keep it to low. So the scalp relevant period is set to 5 by default. You can set in between 5 to 9, depending upon the price action. Also, we have the OC values, which means the scalp mode values, the open and close values of the candle bars. So right here we have the price value of 65,400 and the price came down to 62,800 here. So these values help you with the take profit system. Let's turn on the take profit. It will show the TP zones where you can take profit. For example, for this scalp, we have the scalp open at 66,7,900, 66,791, and we have the first KP zone at 65,133. Again here, we have the TP1 to 3. Again, scalp open here at 64,000. And we had the take profit zone at 65.66. 1. And again, we have scalp here, take profit. So this take profit system works amazingly. We can also figure out the take profit. So the CD is figured out. Okay, so less take profit zones and more of confirmed take profits. So by default, the filter is turned off. So if you are trading in a range-in markets, you can understand how the take profit works. So let me turn off the take profit and focus on the scalp figure settings. So if we figured out the scalp settings, we will see the scalps will filter along with the exit signals as well. So you see the scalp moved from the green ribbon to the in between here. So these, you guys can play around with these settings. We also have the flash short figure, which will figure out the scalps and work accordingly according to the rating market. We can also turn on both of them. So you guys can play around and choose the best settings for your grading strategy. By default, these signals are turned off. The filters are turned off for everything. Dynamic filter for take profit, threshold, and estimate figure, they are all turned off. So by default, the sensitivity is set below. The relevant period is 5. And the OC values are, open and close values are also turned off. So by far the best one filter is the estimate figure on the longer or on the lower time frames, on the higher or the lower time frames. It works amazing. So you guys can play with the estimate figure as well. So in the next video, we will talk about the VAR color,